In this video, you'll find out what everyone should know about the IRS Offer in Compromise. The Offer in Compromise was a mandate by Congress and is the most common way to reduce your tax debt to the IRS. The concept's simple. You only pay what you're able to pay. However, in reality, once we start understanding the Offer in Compromise, it's not a free ticket as promoted by the tax firms you see advertising on TV. To better understand the Offer in Compromise, you should look at it as a way of making an offer to the IRS to pay them less. This is not an easy process, and you'll need to provide the IRS with extensive evidence of your financial situation. The amount you offer the IRS is a mathematical formula. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say you owe the IRS $100,000, but you've fallen on hard times, and now you're making $3,000 a month. You should be able to file an offer in compromise for the reason of doubt as to collectability and make a lump sum cash offer. Let's say you have monthly expenses of $2,900, which leaves you with only $100 to pay the IRS per month. With an offer in compromise, you'll take that $100 amount and multiply it by 48 for a total of $4,800. The $4,800 will be your offer to settle your $100,000 debt to the IRS. If you can prove your financial situation, the IRS is obligated to accept your offer. In this scenario, you have just reduced your tax debt by over 95%. Let's look at another example. Let's say you owe the IRS $20,000 and you're making $4,000 per month and your monthly expenses are $3,000. This would leave you with the ability to pay the IRS $1,000 per month. Now we take that $1,000 and multiply it by 48. This will make your offer $48,000. In this scenario, an offer would not make sense because the offer amount is now much more than you owe the IRS. We provide a free offer in compromise calculator on our website at freeofferincompromise.com, so you can estimate what your offer will be to the IRS. This will start to give you an idea of what your offer should be. As we look closer at the actual offer in compromise, there are some tricky aspects to it. The IRS will not accept certain expenses such as credit card payments or your child's private school. There are also limits the IRS sets for your expenses, and these will vary depending on where you live, how old you are, and how many children you have. The list goes on about how the IRS views your financial situation, and therefore it's difficult to submit a good offer to the IRS. That's why many people call tax firms to help them, but they find out they usually charge from $3,000 to $7,000. And most of the firms do a poor job of helping you with your IRS problem. Just check the Better Business Bureau. By doing a quick search on the internet, you'll find that many of these firms have been indicted or under criminal investigation. So how do you find out how to submit an offer in compromise that the IRS will accept? You'll find out a lot of information at our website at freeofferincompromise.com. There's also a low-cost service that will guide you through the offer in compromise process at irsexpress.com. This website was created by tax attorneys as an excellent low-cost service that will walk you through the offer in compromise process for under $200. irsexpress.com guides you through the process with easy-to-understand questions and instructional videos. Once completed, you'll print out the forms from your computer, ready to be mailed to the IRS. It's that simple. Regardless of how you do it, you can submit an offer to the IRS yourself. Please look at our articles and videos so you can learn more about the offer in compromise process.